Anytime you go into a doctor's office with a kiddo, they panic immediately. When kids hear the word doctor, they think shots, nasty medicine, stuff like that. So when we meet kids for the first time, we just kind of hang out in the room. We talk a lot with the parents because they're able to give us more information, but we talk to the kids as well because they are there. This is for them. And you just kind of have to walk them through what you're doing. So I'm gonna look in your ears. This doesn't hurt, it might tickle. I ask kids quite often, do you have mashed potatoes in your ears? Are you hiding something in there? Is there a dinosaur? So that they're not scared that you're coming at them with something and that you're gonna shove something in your ear. When we put them in the booth to do the hearing test, depending on their age, we have lights that flash, animals that dance. If they're older, when we talk to them, we can ask them to identify body parts. We can play head, shoulders, knees, and toes. There's bears and different toys that we can use to help get responses from them. So we're not asking a 3-year-old to sit quietly in a booth for 20 minutes while I test their hearing. I'm allowing them to be part of the test so they feel like they're accomplishing something and getting to play with toys at the same time. Just kind of reassuring them that I don't have any needles. I'm not gonna do anything that they don't want me to do. And sometimes you don't get everything that you need out of a kiddo the first time, but if they have to come back, when you see them again, 9 times out of 10, they're ready for you. And they're not scared because they know what we're doing and that we're just probably gonna play a couple fun games and then leave.